Hello and welcome to another video called Sonic Dash 2, the Sonic Boom. So today, we're gonna play about this game because it's very awesome. So I hope you like the video, subscribe and like this one. So let's get ready to show. Okay guys, I'm here at the level 4. So here we go guys, I got level 1. I got Knuckles and Sonic. You know what I'm talking about. You know, okay, I'll pick Knuckles. Yeah, that was favorite. Okay, let's get. Okay, guys, I'm here now. Okay, we're gonna running. Yeah, we're getting running. Yeah. Oh, okay, he was rolled. Run 20,000 meters on 1 run. Oh, no, I didn't see that. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh, no. Okay, wait. Destroying my video. Okay, guys, I'm back for now. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to the mountain, Everest. Yeah, whatever it does. Oh, I gotta pick my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna pick Sonic then. Okay, guys, I'm back for now, and here we go. Okay, I gotta. Oh no! Does he do it? No. Alright, Whoa! What is this? Oh, I forgot about this. Alright. Oh, see, woo! I'm so crazy right now. No, you should not lose that. Come on. Okay, guys, I'm back for now, and I got a high score. That's 5,527. So yes, guys, yes. Okay, we're gonna go next one. Okay. No, yeah. So yeah, and I got a claim prize. Yes. Woohoo! Okay, guys, I'm back for now, and let's get ready to shoot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See. Yeah. He says. Yeah, destroyed 30 crown beats. Okay. Yeah, see, he can jump and down. He is the most powerful. Oh no, I lost my coins. So, if you jump and down, he will destroy the crab meats. No. Yes, I'm making a video. Sorry about that. Yeah, okay. Sorry about my dad. I'm playing. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I love this game, guys. Yeah, I just spent my head. Yeah. Oh no. So guys, that's the end of the video, and please give this a 100,000,000 likes for us. And so guys, and give this also, and give it a 5,000,000 subscribers. So thanks guys, give this a put up your dinosaur figure and put up the dinosaur, smash like a dinosaur. Roar, and bye guys, bye.